Hi there! To celebrate the new year, I'm excited to share this Hope shadow box design with you. I have made this template as easy to use as possible. The result is just beautiful. I really love how it turned out. Hope you enjoy it too. The download link is in the description. There are two files. The box file is for the box itself. The Hope file is for all the layers in the middle and the spaces. After downloading the files on your computer, upload the files to Design Space. Select both files and click Add to Canvas. Now both files are in. I have done all the hard work to attach all the cut lines and folding lines, so not much needs to be done here. We can see the top part is for the box, and here are the middle layers and spaces. I'm going to cut them all in white color, so I just select all and change color to white here, then click Make It. All the elements fit in 12 by 12 cutting mat and no scoring tools required either. Now we get to the Prepare page. I like to check each page and see if I could save a page or two. I'm gonna move all the objects on page 6 to other pages. This way there is one less page to cut. Once we are happy, click each page to make sure no objects are overlapped. Click Continue and choose suitable setting for cards you are using. Medium to heavyweight cardstock is suggested. There are lots of detail in this design. Before cutting, I suggest sharpen the blade. Take the blade out and jab the blade to avoid your bowl. Be careful not jab yourself. About 50 times should do the job. Use USB to connect your computer and Cricut. Bluetooth would take longer to cut, and I found the connection isn't very stable. Once it starts cutting, it is time to make a cup of tea and let Cricut do its magic. When getting the cutting off the mat, be careful not to bend the card. Take your time. Use the spatula to go between the card and the mat to get it off slowly, especially this layer. It is the top layer of the shadow box. Now we finish cutting. Let's put the box together first. Find all the elements are for the box. We should have this big piece, two long ones and two short ones for the sides, a frame and a rectangle piece. Flip it over and fold all the dotted lines toward you. Grab the two short ones, turn it over and fold the long sides toward you. Flip back and fold the short ends toward you. Repeat with the other one. We are going to glue it to the side like this. Apply glue and give them a good press to stick them together. Same as the other side. Next, get the two long ones and glue them to the sides of the box. Then we glue the frame to the top of the box. Tuck in bits that stick out. Turn it over and give it a good press. There's one more piece left for the box. It is the back of the box. We are not going to use till the last step. Put it aside for now. Check all the elements for the middle layers are here. There should be 4 layers for the middle design. The top one is a starry frame, hope outline, rectangle hope piece, and a dotty rectangle piece. There's a small dot that indicates the top of the piece. There are 6 long rectangle pieces. They are the spaces between the layers. 6 short spaces for the short sides of the shadow box. Now we have all the elements. We can start folding all the spaces. Flip a piece over and fold all the lines toward you. We are going to overlap the 2 ends together and make a long bar as a spacer. For all the spaces, now all the spaces are folded. Apply glue to one end and overlap the other end to close it. Squeeze it to make it into a square tube. Same as the short spaces. Repeat to all the spaces. We should have 6 long ones and 6 short spaces. Put them aside. Next, we are going to attach the hope outline to the hope rectangle with foam dots and foam tapes. Flip it over and take time here. Align O and P first, then make sure all letters are aligned. Once you are happy, put down the outline slowly and make sure everything looks good. Once you are happy, give it a gentle press to secure. Put it aside. Grab the box, 2 long spaces and 2 short spaces. Apply glue on one side of each spaces and attach them to the box. Next, we put down the dotty rectangle piece in the box. Make sure the small dot is at the top. Apply glue and stick together. Continue to assemble the next layer. Get 2 long spaces and 2 short spaces. Adjust the spaces when necessary. Squeeze them back to square. For the long spaces, you could pull them to the edge as we did the last layer. Here I pull them close to the middle. I find it could hold the weight a bit better and prevent sink down in the middle. Just make sure the spaces can't be seen through the gaps. Glue the 2 short spaces to the sides. Glue the hope layers on. Gentle tap to secure. The last layer is a starry frame. Use the remaining 4 spaces and glue them to the box. Attach the frame layer to the box. How beautiful is this? If you are not going to add lighting, then you are done here. I have got LED fairy light from Amazon. Just gonna use glue gun to attach to the back of the box. Double check the light is working before gluing to the box. The light is attached to the box now. Please ignore the ripped marks. I had the back sealed and then made not one more change. Anyway, grab the last piece and position the light switch to where the rectangle gap is. Glue it to the box. Apply glue all over the box frame and flip over and give it a good press. We have made this beautiful Hope shadow box together. This is the first time I try shadow box template design. I really enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it too.